Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. I'm taking my McLaren to my friend Titus and he's gonna work on it. We're gonna install the downpipe. We're gonna install the stage 2 ECU. That's gonna take probably a couple of days. And the rear wing that I got in carbon fiber. So I'm super excited about it. It's gonna take this car from great to insane. And I can't wait to see that and see how it performs on the dyno. So I'm heading there now. It's late at night, and I'll report when I get there. Let's check it out. Alright guys, I'm here checking out the McLaren. Look at the wing install. It looks awesome. I think Titus did an incredible job. Look at the trim. That's very cool. The car looks a lot more aggressive now with the wing. It looks awesome. Yeah, carbon fiber. Look how he cut there. It looks factory. Oh man, that's a great job, Titus. Man, you're the man. Look at that. Beautiful. It looks incredible. That's gonna be great for downforce. Oh wow. Yeah, let's see. He had to remove the rear wheel. I think the ECU unit goes in there, and that was sent to Canada for remapping. I can't wait for it to come back the next few days and see what it does horsepower wise and torque on the dyno. That's gonna be awesome. Wow.
That's how it's done.